Hello, all my gorgeous life followers and happy peoples. Today is one of those days that can cause a lot of stress. Hurricane Michael is just making landfall, and it's been on my mind. I have a lot of friends down in Florida, and we're not there right now. We're in New Mexico, which is a blessing and a curse because we can't be there for our friends. So I'm having my afternoon keto coffee, and I thought I would share a couple things with you. I had a request for a pendant that was done. So the other day I posted that I had made the stress anxiety little flower pendants, and so I was asked to make, let's see if the light will catch it. I was asked to make basically a pendant of the anxiety stress formula, which I always write down all my recipes, because if I ever need to make it again, if I just willy-nilly it, I'll never remember, because it's just sometimes you forget. So these are not even though it looks similar, because I have the circles in here, this is not a harmony, this is the stress anxiety kind of buster, you know. And I've been so calm and collective today, and I think part of it is because I'm surrounded with all this beautiful healing energy that I get to draw in for me. It's quite beautiful. And one of the things I made, it's kind of funny, it's still curing, is I made another little coaster puck. You know, they're kind of thick, you know, but has all these healing things in there, and it's just wonderful. And you know, it's one of these things that I get to do. I'm very, very, very blessed to have the opportunity to make all of these things. I just had a request. One of the reasons why I chose the particular rocks that I chose for the stress anxiety, I actually have some notes here, which it's got yellow jasper. It reduces feelings of stress and anxiety, and it helps to stimulate the balance in your solar chakra, your solar plexus, sorry, which is your third chakra. Red aventurine is manifesting your dreams through doing. Draws upon the elements of fire and earth to increase the flow of your life force energy. The tiger eye is a centering, calming, grounding. The black obsidian is for protection, to help clear the buildup of psychic smog upon your aura, and acts as a psychic vacuum cleaner, which is really cool, actually. I like the idea of that. Red jasper is deepens and strengthens your connection to the earth, helping you to remove stress in your body and ground your energy and calm your mind. The peridot reduces stress, anger, and guilt. And then I also add in there selenite, the clear quartz, the metals, and amethyst. Amethyst is kind of my go-to. I really love the energy, and it's in the quartz family. Then I also made one of these. This was a special request. I have a little girl that has a birthday coming up, and I was drawn to make, it not only is this the celebration of wellness month. I don't like the other word that they talk about with the breasts, so I'm going to call it the wellness month. I made these have the pink quartz and amethyst and selenite in them, and some glitter, because every little girl and every big girl loves glitter. So these are now cured, and I'm going to be posting them. The other cool thing is I believe I posted the other little jars. These are the coolest. They have a little hook on top so that you can hang them. I don't know that I would hang it from my rearview mirror. This is glass, and if it smucked your windshield, it might not do so good. But the other ones were basically a amethyst focus. This one is a peridot focus. Again, this is an EMF buster. It is happy, it's joyful, it has quartz crystals in here, peridot, and the metals. I'm trying to see if I can get, let me just grab another one. Sometimes the different greens show up. There we go, the different lightings. So I have 4 of these that I'm going to put up. Super excited about it. And I still have, one of the other things that I needed, I had to, hey, come off of there, is when I made the crystal manifestations, this is what it looks like when you try to tear off the yellow. I don't ask. It's been a struggle with the resin. I've got some new resin on its way. I did the same recipe that's in this, which I still love how it's really cool. But this is the same recipe, and the first time I did it, it still had a roughness to it. You could feel all of the copper in here. So when I poured these guys, these new guys, and I had a little bit of resin, I actually put some more resin and tried to dome it up on there a little bit more, just to kind of give it that little bit of last punch, which is kind of fun to do. So that's kind of what I have going on. I'm going to post, oh, these are the other ones. I absolutely love these. These are just super calming. I have the recipe written down. Where is it at? I know you guys are going to ask, because that's what we do. We always are curious, and now I can't see my little recipe. I'm like the master of sticky notes. Here it is. A lot of my recipes, I kind of go at it and then I write up the recipe. On this one, it has ice rose quartz. Ice rose quartz is crazy high elevation. It's got the frosted white quartz, it's got the quartz, it's got the metals, it's got black obsidian and black tourmaline and yellow turquoise and selenite. And then it has the, of course, the resin. These are crazy awesome. I don't even know what to call them yet. They are just, again, I am completely surrounded by so much love. And I feel very blessed that I get to share this with you guys. What does a girl get from her husband when he comes home from work? I get copper. And isn't this the coolest looking copper? It's flat. My husband pulled it out of some wires that they were going to throw away. And he knows that I love the copper, and he has more for me today. So yeah, I'm kind of a fun girl. I get cool things. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. May you have a blessed day. Have your coffee. Cheers. Have your afternoon blessings. And may all of my friends and families that are in the way of any of these adverse weathers, may you know that the good forces of above, whether you call it God, whether you call it Gaia, whatever you want to call it, may you all be safe. I love you all. Bye.